In this video, we are going to study use if. What if shows condition, and in the examination, in bracket, it is directed that use if. That time, what rules you have to keep in mind? Let us see. Rules of if. Use if in the beginning of the first clause. Two clauses may be given in the sentence. In the first clause, in the beginning itself, you have to use if. Use comma to join both the clauses. Means in the beginning of the first clause, you have to write if. Then write the first clause, and to join the second clause, means after writing the first clause, give comma and then write the second clause. Remove the words like must, not, unless, otherwise, quite, etc. If these words are there in the sentence, you have to remove them while using if. If the given sentence is positive, use negative word, and if negative, make positive sentence of it. If in the first clause is positive, then while writing you have to make it negative, and if this clause is negative, you have to make it positive. For example, you finish the work, otherwise you will be punished. In this sentence, you finish the work is the first clause and you will be punished is the second clause. Now otherwise we have to remove as per rule. And what we have to do, in the beginning of the first clause we have to use if, and to join these two clauses we have to use comma. And if the sentence is positive, we have to make it negative. Now you finish the work is positive sentence. You finish the work is a positive sentence. So while taking if, you have to make it negative. So how will be the answer? If you do not finish the work, you will be punished. To join both the clauses, we are using comma. This is a positive sentence, so we are taking don't. Finish is in present tense, so we are taking don't here to make it negative. In the beginning of the sentence, we are using if. So if you do not finish the work, comma, you will be punished. Second example, the boys must not misbehave, otherwise they will spoil their image. The boys must not. The first clause is negative. We have to remove this must. We have to remove this otherwise according to the rule. And what is the first clause? The boys misbehave and they will spoil their image. These are the two clauses. In the beginning of this clause, we have to use if. Remove this negative word. To join both the clauses, use comma and write the next clause. So how will be its answer? If the boys misbehave, they will spoil their image. Next, unless you visit the place, you will not experience the joy. Unless itself is a negative word. So, unless means if not. Unless you visit the place, comma, you will not experience the joy. So, in the beginning only we have to use if. If you do not visit the place, comma, you will not experience the joy. People must not come to know about it. I will lose my job. People must not come to know about it is the first clause. I will lose my job is the second clause. We have to remove this must not. Use if in the beginning of the sentence. To join these both clauses, use comma. So how will be the answer? If people come to know about it, comma, I will lose my job. I will not do that. Tiger will leave the place. I will not do that is the first clause. Tiger will leave the place is another clause. Will not, we have to remove from the clause and write the sentence. So how will be its answer? If I will do that, comma, the tiger will leave the place. Next rule, use if in imperative sentence. If imperative sentence is given, how to use if in imperative sentence? Rule, take if in the beginning of the sentence, use you as a subject and complete the sentence. Very simple to use if in imperative sentence. Just take if in the beginning, take you as a subject and write the first clause, give comma and write another clause. For example, give us wasteland we will turn it into best. Give us Westland is an imperative sentence. So only what we have to do before that, use if and you. If you give us Westland, comma, we will turn it into the best. Study hard, you will succeed. If you study hard, comma, you will succeed. Very simple to add if in imperative sentence. Just write if in the beginning, take you as a subject, write first clause, give comma and write another clause. Third example, don't look back, it will disappear. If you look back, comma, it will disappear. If both the clauses are positive, they remain positive itself in the sentence of if. How? You must practice, you will become perfect. This both the clauses are positive. So in the answer also, they will remain positive. Let's see the answer. If you, now must we have to remove. If you practice, you will become perfect. Humans were birds, they would fly. If humans were birds, they would fly will be the answer. In this way, we have studied all rules and examples of use if. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share.